Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'll show you how to get the battery container in Scram Mechanic. This is going to be especially useful if you want to power your electric engines with more batteries, so you don't have to replenish them as frequently as needed. So the first thing you'll need to do is complete Grow Lab 3. Go ahead and gather some banana seeds, go ahead and grow them, and go to the fruit packing station and bring them to the hideout. Once you package them, and now you can go to the hideout right here. And once you bring 2 of those, you're going to get a battery container schematic, just like this. This can then be crafted inside of the craft bot, right here, from some metal block level 2s, circuit boards, paint ammo, and glue. And once you do this, you can use it as any other container. Just use your connect tool and connect it to a engine, to an electric engine, and it is going to work. So this is pretty much all, how to get the battery container. Make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.